Step by step guide to apply for your Australian visa, pag-usapan natin yan. So guys, this is the website of the Australian Embassy in the Philippines. So lahat po yun gagawin mo via this website. So guys, make sure you have your passport ready, you have your bank certificate or yung mga bank statement mo, certificate of employment mo or even your business documents, and then syempre good to have your payslip as well. Then, it's also good to have your itinerary, yung mga details mo if ever you have your flight plans already or your trip plans. So, visitor visa lang ang i-apply ko, guys. It will cost 195 AUD. At syempre, hoping tayo na bigyan tayo ng multiple entries, di ba? Now, to start your application, you have to, number one, create your IMI account. Guys, dito mo i-fill up lahat ng mga details mo for that Australian visa that you're gonna get. So guys, medyo may kahabaan lang to, but make sure that all of your details are correct, di ba? So I will not show it na here, pero guys, what you have to do, syempre yung name mo, yung details mo, let's say your private information, katulad ng expiry date ng passport, valid na date ng passport mo, saan ka nakatira, phone number mo, and all other questions. And guys, don't forget that you have to have your documents, katulad ng mga planned activities, financial status, travel documents, and of course, yung current employment, yung mga COE mo, or even if you're self-employed, then definitely you must have your parang DDI, basta yung mga, you have to have proof na talagang meron kang employment. Sa email na yan, you will have this letter or parang this PDF, and dito nakasulat yung visa lodgement number mo. So this one, you have to keep these details. Ako, what I did here, syempre pinint out ko na rin siya para at least meron akong copy. At dahil kailangan natin mag-biometrics, guys, kailangan natin puntahan yung VFS Global na Biometrics Appointment website. So guys, ito po is itsura niyan. And make sure that the VFS Global is nasa Australian Biometrics Collection Center. Now, you have to book an appointment. And guys, ang biometric fee niya, collection fee niya is at 557, which babayaran mo doon. Pwedeng cash, pwedeng credit card as well. Now, ang kagandahan dito, when you book, guys, basta umaga before 3 p.m., libre siya. Saturdays, may bayad yan. Medyo, di ba, ayaw natin, gusto natin kung saan libre. Kasi may dagdag na bayad if, for example, Saturday yon or past 3 p.m. So guys, ito po yung mga fees niyan para makita nyo. Please note that hindi pwede mag-Amex at saka Diners credit cards daw. So it will not be accepted. And guys, wag tayo mag-walk-in kasi tingin mo, pag mag-walk-in ka dyan, 1,000 pesos ang fee niyan. And hindi nyo na rin kailangan yung meron siya dyan yung parang premium service. Mahal na yun. Narinig ko mga 3,000 pesos. Medyo hindi na sulit yan. Of your biometric appointment, guys, ito po siya kung nasa Manila ka. Pumunta ako sa Circuit Corporate Center 2, 6th floor sa Makati po yon. Meron siya sa Cebu, so depende where you're gonna go. Now, make sure that you go 15 minutes before your scheduled time. Kasi for example, 10:30 ako, 10:15 lang kami pwedeng pumasok. So guys, lahat yon nilagay ko lang sa isang envelope like this, di ba? Baka itanong nyo saan ko to nabili, sa Muji po yan. Then, I have my passport. And then, I just had my appointment confirmation, di ba? Yung printout na to. And then also, syempre, yung printout ng aking confirmation na nagsubmit na ako ng visa ko via the website. Sa 6th floor, ito po itsura niyan. Dapat sa Australian Biometric Collection Center tayo pumunta because the other side is for the Schengen visa naman. Pagpasok naman natin, guys, ibibigay natin kay Madam Secretary dyan yung ating mga forms, yung ating appointment confirmation, and then they will give us a number. Ito itsura ng waiting area po nila dyan sa loob, while ito naman itsura ng kanilang ticket number. So for example, akin, VSAP 69 yung number ko, and intayin ko sa queuing number kung saan ang VSAP 69. So, for example, here, nakita ko it's at room 15. Papasok ako sa room 15. Pagpasok sa room, give your passport and then your appointment slip or yung parang yung printout na dinala mo. And then, guys, make sure you confirm the name. Tama ba birthday mo? Tama ba yung expiry date mo doon sa pinagtatype nila? And then, all they have to do is take a photo. Diba? Yun yung una. Take your picture. No smiling. Make sure hindi rin covered yung face mo. And then, fingerprint scan. All fingerprints first. First will be the right 4 fingers, then the left 4 fingers, and then the thumbs. Ganun po ang proseso niyan. And then, you will pay for the fee na 557. Pwedeng credit card, pwedeng cash po. Pwedeng Visa, pwedeng Mastercard, wag daw Amex, at saka wag daw Diners nakasulat doon. And nakita ko yung terminal nila, BDO Pay. So for sure, pwede na mag-BDO Pay. Tapos yun na yun, guys. Iintayin mo lang yung email dyan. Ang email will be imi-grant man ganyan. Imi space grant. If ever na-approve ka with your visa, ito po yung magsisend, no reply. And then guys, you will have a document, a PDF document there, and makita mo dito kung granted ka man. Thank you so much na grant tayo, di ba? Happy tayo dyan. And then, all you have to do is just bring this piece of document. Please print it out also when you're traveling to Australia. Yun na yun!